So for doubling time, that means it's looking for how long it would take for your money, in this case it's money, to double. So it is compounded continuously, so we can start with, since it's talking about money, start with the A, P, R, N, and T. We don't really know what we're starting with, so we'll say 1. And the amount that it's going to double to is 2. For every $1, it doubles to $2. It doesn't matter what values you put there. If you invested 10,000, it would double to 20,000, which is going to reduce to 2. It doesn't matter when you divide. So just do 1 and 2 for double. You can also actually apply, since it's continuous, you could apply the same, this is for half-life. You could apply doubling just by changing the half to 2. You change the 1/2 in the half-life formula to 2, that's the same thing. You'll see this show up in a minute. So the rate is 0.0375. N is continuous, which means we use APERT. And we're solving for time. So we know everything, plug it in, the amount doubles. The rate is 0.0375 times t. And like I said, we're going to see the double natural log 2 equals, I wrote it as kt before. R and k are the same thing. So when we solve this, log it to get the exponent down, it's natural log because of the e of 2 equals 0.0375 t. Just like we said from the half-life / double time formula. To solve for t, we're going to divide. So we'll do natural log of 2 divided by 0.0375. Natural log of 2 divided by 0.0375. 18.48. Years. If you are to remember the doubling formula is just natural log 2, then that'll save you a little bit of time because we could have skipped all of this and just started with at that part of the work, and it would only take you about half the time. So very similar, we're going to use half-life formula now. Natural log of 1/2 equals kt, just like we just talked about. There's your decay constant. Plug that in for k and solve for t. So we're just going to divide by negative 0.057762265. So natural log of 1/2 divided by a negative 0.05776. $2265. And you get really, really, really close to 12, so 12. It says to the nearest hour, so that's 12 hours.